5 plus 2 parenthesis 9 divided by 3 times 2. 5 plus 2 will give us 7. Then we have 7 parenthesis 9 divided by 3 times 2. Now parenthesis 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. Then 3 times 2. Put it down our parenthesis. Put down our 7 here. Now parenthesis 3 times 2 will give us 6. We have 7 times 6. 7 times 6 will give us 42. 42 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let's have the right answer to this expression. First of all, we work with our parentheses, which is 9 divided by 3 times 2. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. Then we have 3 times 2. We put it down our parentheses. We bring down our 5 plus 2. In our parentheses, 3 times 2 will give us 6. Then we have 5 plus 2 times 6. Here we have an addition and a multiplication. We first of all work with our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 2 times 6 will give us 12. Then we have 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 will give us 17. 17 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.